Yo, so may Nirvana MB na naman nga pala to. Ang reviewer na walang tira, men. Kilala nyo na walang iba kundi ako lang yun. At kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, men, baka naman pwede mong i-click yung subscribe button dyan sa Gedli para at least, men, updated ka sa mga ilalabas natin mga reaction video, men. Katulad nito, men, ito. Ito yung last na stream natin, men. At ano tayo, men? Sinimulan nating masaya tapos sinimulan natin i-end natin, men, na may lessons. Ang nakikita ko, men, dito yung lesson sa buhay, men. Doon sa atin para sa lahat to, men, ng tao, men, in general. Kukonekta ka dito, men, eh. Ito na, men. Kailangan ko muna dito, men, mag-seatbelt. Triple seatbelt ako dito, men. Ito na, men. SB19 Time music video. Let's get it. Ito na naman, men. Ay, wait, ito yung nakita kanina, men, kay Casual Chuck. Wait lang, men. Enable ko lang, men, yung ano. Enable ko lang yung...
I'm moving along and feels like I'm dead, but I'm here instead. Please make it stop. I'm always wrong and stuck is...
Wait.
Rotting in bed, numb and upset. The hands on a clock. I'm moving along and feels like I'm dead, but I'm here instead.
Feels I'm dead, but I'm here instead, man.
Please make it stop. I'm always wrong and stuck inside my never-ending thoughts. I'm trying hard 'cause I don't want it cursed. 'Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave them be.
Man. We're gonna run out of time. Dito, men. Man. Yung visuals nito, men. Kita natin dito, men. Nagsiselebrate ng isang ina, men. Na siguro, men, sa dami ng anak niya, men. May mga sarili-sarili ng pamilya. Siya na lang yung nagsiselebrate, men. Wait.
Inside my never-ending thoughts. I'm trying hard 'cause I don't want it cursed. 'Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave them be.
Memories will leave them behind.
Hide many things we can control. I hope you know it's better to try. 'Cause one day we'll run out of. All of these are natural. No one's really in control, but we live a little.
Okay, oo nga, nagtatrabaho pala siya, parang nurse.
Cause we know when we vanish, we don't really go. So I try to run an extra mile, hoping for a sign. If there isn't one, then I'm leaving mine. Ever goes behind, seeking
Okay.
you will find.
Min, yung flow niya, men.
A little cause we know when we vanish, we don't really go. So I try to run an extra mile.
So I try to run extra mile.
Hoping for a sign. If there isn't one.
Men, I will run extra mile hoping for a sign. Men, Lord, bigyan mo ko ng sign.
then I'm leaving mine. Never those behind, seeking you will find. There's no reason not to try. Watching everything from the backseat is beautiful, but at times it gets really ugly. You already know what to do when we got nothing to lose.
Okay.
And what we're not changing with you, fighting for whatever cause. If the light's dying, don't you ever cease to refuse. Stuck inside my never-ending thoughts. I'm trying hard cause I know what it costs. Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave them behind. Many things we can control. I hope you know it's better to try. Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave them behind.
Men, sa mga ganitong senaryo, men, sobrang nakakakabato, men. Yung mga ganitong klase, ganitong mga entrada, men. Parang mawawala yung nanay niya, men. Parang ganun siya, men.
Hi, darling, when push comes to shove, your best is enough. It won't hurt to try. Cause one day we'll run out of time and time again. You raise things I don't understand. Drench all over, still lying. They're all I can. Now well aware.
Men, alam mo, men, ang naaalala ko dito, men, parang may isang linya si Glock 9, men, na ang sabi niya doon, hindi naman siya technically parang ganitong ganito, pero parang ang linya niya doon is parang magtatrabaho tapos mag-aalaga ng anak ng iba instead na yung hindi mo maalagaan yung anak mo. Parang ganun, men. Tapos dito naman, men, nag-aalaga siya ng parang elderly or yung sa mga ospital. Pero yung nanay, though yung nanay naman niya dito seems na wala siyang sakit. Parang ganun. Pero yet yun nga, nakakalungkot kasi solo lang siya doon.
There's no reason in this world, so I'll never ever walk away with stones left unturned. Cause if I'm living anyway, I'm spending every day gathering stars in the night sky, hoping it'll lead away for better days.
Wait, hindi na sumasagot. Parang hindi na siya sumasagot, men. Tapos parang nakailang birthday na yata, puro video call lang, men.
Cause if I'm living anyway,
Wait, dumudugo yung ilong pala niya, wait. Siya pala yung may sakit, men.
I can. I'm well aware there's no reason.
Mukhang may sakit na siya dito, men. Siya yung parang assistant nurse or something. Tapos siya na yung parang nagkakaroon ng sakit, men.
In this world, so I'll never ever walk away with stones
Ayun, dumugo yung ilong niya.
Cause if I'm living anyway, I'm spending every day gathering stars in the night sky, hoping it'll lead away for better days. Savor every moment with me while we're here, cause I don't want this.
Time, memories will leave them behind. Many things
Men,
we
parang namatay na yung anak niya.
can control. And I hope you know it's better to try. One day we'll run out of
Matutumba na siya siguro.
Memories will leave them behind.
Memories will leave them behind.
Many things we can control.
Many things we can control.
I hope you know.
Men, dito parang ano, no, pag sa video call sila, parang ang saya-saya lang nung anak niya, men. Parang hindi niya pinapahalata dun sa nanay niya na siguro may iniinda na siyang sakit.
It's better to try. 'Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave them behind. Darling, when push comes to shove, your best listener, it won't hurt to try. 'Cause one day we'll run out of.
Ah. Men. Salamat, ma. Ikaw ang aking naging pahinga. Men. Time. Nung siguro, men, may sakit na yung babae, yung anak niya, no? Men. Ano nito, men? Sobrang ano nito, men? Sobrang nakakalungkot nito, men. Makita ang isang ina, men, na mawala ng anak. Tapos yun, men, dito natin makikita, men, na napakahalaga ng oras sa pamilya natin, men. At sa buhay natin, men. Imagine, men, mag-work tayo, mag-overwork tayo for the money para may ipon tayo, men. Pero yung health natin, men, sobrang napakahalaga nun over anything. Men. Sakit nito, men. Men, family time, men. Ito, men. Bakit hindi SB19 ang nasa MV? Bakit, Caps? Grabe din ang details. Yung gamit niya na susi ng anak niya na may hawak, nakaitim siya na damit. Yung lobo parang paubos na hangin. Tapos ayun, mag-isa pa siya oo nga, no? Na niluto ng anak niya, men. Kasi pag ang mga boys ang gaganap ng MB, kikiligin ng mga 18 kaya nakapuko. Oo nga, men, no? Magandang ano yun, magandang. Pero ano, men, dun sa mensahe talaga, men. Sobrang galing, men, ang nakaisip nito, men. At sobrang ganda, ito, men, sa lahat, men, ito, kahit hindi siya, men, sa, alam mo yun, talagang pangkalahatan siya, men, na sobrang ganda ng mensahe, men, na hanggang may oras pa tayo, men. Mahalin natin, men, yung mga mahal natin sa buhay, men. Ipakita natin kung paano natin sila pahalagahan, men. At men, sobrang solid nun, men. Sobrang, alam mo yun, sobrang makakaano ka talaga, men. Makakatagos ka talaga, men. Men, I think that's our wrap for today, men. Para sa atin, men, na sobrang roller coaster itong stream natin ito, men. Maraming salamat sa inyo, men, sa mga caps natin dyan na nag-spot ng online, men.